A visit to London. Once upon a time, in a small town in America, there lived a young girl named Sophia. Sophia was a curious and adventurous soul with dreams of exploring the world. Her fascination with distant places was fueled by her grandfather's stories of his own travels. He had regaled her with tales of London, a city that seemed like something out of a fairy tale. The rich history, iconic landmarks, and diverse culture of London had captured Sophia's imagination since childhood. One bright and sunny morning, as Sophia was sipping on her favorite cup of coffee and daydreaming about far-off places, an idea struck her like a bolt of lightning. She decided that she would visit London, the city of her dreams. She spent the next few months meticulously planning her trip, saving every penny she earned from her part-time job. Finally, the day arrived. Sophia boarded a plane bound for London with a heart full of excitement. As the aircraft touched down at Heathrow Airport, Sophia could hardly contain her joy. She had made it to London, a place that had seemed so distant and unreachable. The reality of her adventure filled her with awe and wonder. Sophia checked into a cozy little hotel in the heart of London, not far from the River Thames. With her trusty guidebook in hand, she set out to explore the city. Her first stop was the iconic Big Ben, which stood tall and majestic against the London skyline. She marveled at the intricate details of the clock tower and listened to the chimes that echoed through the city. Next on Sophia's list was the historic Westminster Abbey. As she walked through the ancient halls, she couldn't help but feel a sense of reverence for the centuries of history that had unfolded within these walls. She lit a candle in memory of her grandfather, who had inspired her to make this journey. Sophia's exploration of London continued with a visit to the Tower of London, where she learned about the tower's dark and storied past. The crown jewels dazzled her with their brilliance, and she couldn't resist taking a few photos to show her friends and family back home. One of Sophia's favorite experiences in London was strolling through the charming streets of Notting Hill. The colorful houses, quaint cafes, and bustling markets made her feel like she had stepped into a romantic movie. She savored a traditional English tea at a local tea room, complete with scones, clotted cream, and jam. Sophia's adventures in London also took her to the bustling Borough Market, where she indulged in a variety of delectable foods from all over the world. She savored dishes from India, Italy, Thailand, and more, relishing the multicultural flavors of the city. One rainy day, Sophia decided to visit the British Museum. The vast collection of artifacts from around the globe left her in awe of human history and achievement. She spent hours wandering through the museum, admiring ancient sculptures, Egyptian mummies, and the Rosetta Stone. As her days in London turned into weeks, Sophia made friends with locals and fellow travelers. She joined a group of Londoners for a night of pub hopping, sipping on pints of traditional British ale and sharing stories late into the night. It was during these moments that Sophia felt a deep connection to the city and its people. Sophia's journey through London was not all about sightseeing. She also ventured into the city's vibrant art scene, attending plays at the West End and exploring the galleries of Tate. Modern. The creativity and passion of London's artists inspired her own artistic pursuits. One sunny afternoon, Sophia decided to take a leisurely stroll along the south bank of the River Thames. She marveled at the views of St. Paul's Cathedral and the modern architecture of the Shard. As she walked, she stumbled upon a street performance by a talented magician. Sophia was captivated by his tricks and joined the gathered crowd in applause. Sophia's London adventure reached its zenith with a visit to Buckingham Palace. She watched the changing of the guard ceremony with fascination and couldn't help but feel a sense of admiration for the precision and discipline of the royal guards. As her time in London drew to a close, Sophia couldn't help but reflect on her incredible journey. She had explored the city's iconic landmarks, immersed herself in its rich history and culture, and made lasting memories with new friends. London had exceeded her wildest dreams, and she knew that this visit was just the beginning of her global adventures. With a heavy heart and a promise to return someday, Sophia bid farewell to London. As her plane soared into the sky, she looked out the window at the sprawling city below, feeling grateful for the experiences and memories she had gained during her visit. Back in her small American town, Sophia shared her London stories with friends and family, inspiring them to pursue their own dreams of adventure. She knew that the world was vast and full, and so Sophia's visit to London became a cherished chapter in her life story, a chapter filled with the magic of travel, the beauty of new experiences, and the joy of following one's dreams. London had left an indelible mark on her heart, and it was a chapter she would revisit in her thoughts and dreams for years to come. Thanks for watching.